Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. I'm at the top end of the Seafront this afternoon, so I thought I'd wander up Poseidonos Avenue, see how the renovations are coming on after the August break. Nimbly step over these seats. I'm going this way as opposed to coming down the hill because the sun's quite low because it's latish in the afternoon now. Didn't want to dazzle you. So I'll cross over. So it's before the evening set, but after the lunch crowd, basically. They've got flowers in here now. This was going to be a water feature at one point, but it seems they've decided that it will be a garden for now instead. There we go. Now it does occur to me that it's probably going to be quite a noisy film with all the traffic. That's a disadvantage about not doing this first thing in the morning, I guess. But if you look, you can see that some trees have been planted as well as the shrubs and the bushes and the plants. People are always saying they should plant more trees here, but they do. Coming up to Coffee Island. And Starbucks. Yes, it looks very nice here now. They've still got something going in here, like extra shade. That's what all these things are, I think. And not ashtrays. They're going to lift them up and plonk things in their place when they're ready. There's Imperial Chinese. Heard good reports on that. Some people say, why should you have a Chinese if you come on holiday to Cyprus? But what I say to that is, well, have your holiday like you want to have your holiday. And let other people relax how they want to relax. Oh, here's the Hotel Annabelle. England flag. Cafe bar, why not? Why not indeed? Now we're coming up to the main bit of the renovations where they were working a couple of days ago. Won't see any activity today though, which is probably a good thing because it means I can have a look around without getting in anybody's way. Well, the nest has a few people in it this time. It's good to see. Still quite warm. Right, there's some more trees here. And now we come down to the main mysterious bit. because this is where all the workmen were. Let's see if we can see what's happened. Can't really tell at the moment, but it's going to be very nice when it's finished. Still got a little bit to go, but not too long now. Right, I'm going to go a bit further up, and then I'm going to take a hitherto as yet unknown route from here to the main boardwalk. I'm not going to go all the way up to the Sodat Beach car park, purely and simply because I thought it would be nice to see one of the routes in between, and also because I forgot my hat and my head is beginning to warm up. Such is the peril of being a slaphead.
Hello gentlemen, welcome to
Hello.
the place. How are you today?
I'm
Good?
fine, thank you. Yourself? A bit hot. It has to be. I'll take a menu. Thank you very much.
Food. Even we have a set menu as well. Good
Okay.
money. Only 12.50. You take 3 courses.
There you go.
After the meal, you have a nice free drink, fresh fruit, everything.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
And you. Right, let's pan slowly round then.
Oh, the restaurant, my friend. Look the sign there.
Yep, I'll get that. Paphos. He wants some as well. Yep, so that was Paphos. And here's Portobello. That one's Happy Island we've just gone past. Yes, I said this in the previous driving film, there were a lot of restaurants along here which get ignored by many because it's not on the seafront. But they offer decent value for money and probably a little bit quieter. But yeah, set menu, $12.50. I'm hungry now. There's a kiosk here as well. Well, hopefully somewhere on the right will be an alleyway which will take me to a cafe next to Alexander the Great Hotel. Because I've mentioned it as such that there being one in the past, but never actually gone down it. So I'm crossing over here anyway. Take my life in my hands. Established in 1972, that restaurant was Paphos. I'm having a look at some of the prices. Stifado is $12.50, that's not too bad. Lots of steaks and stuff. Right, so what's this on the right? Can I get from here down to the coast path? Well, you've got the Alexander the Great straight in front of us. So hopefully, yes, I can. There's Limnaria Gardens over that way. But we are turning right here. Oh, I can go down. There's a little lookout thing over here. I can walk along to get a bit of a view. And then there's steps going down here. There's also a little overflow thing here. I wondered from the other end actually where this came from. And looking at that, I'm still not sure. There appears to be, if you look, some sort of pipe outlet I guess when the drains from elsewhere are overflowing, they'll come out there and go down here. You know, you may think that would never happen, but in the winter time, when it rains here, it really does rain. That was obviously fenced off at one point. I hope this is stable. Oh, there's the bird's eye view of Alexander the Great Hotel. Little jacuzzis and stuff there, that looks nice, that water park. I'm guessing that's the adult only section. Because there's two paths to Alexander the Great. Oh yeah, lovely view from up here. I'll have a look this way first. So there's Waisudia B, or Sodap's little sister, and beyond that you'll have Sodap Beach itself and the Antasia Beach Bar and the Hotel Amarvi, and beyond that you'll get Olympic Lagoon Resort and the Amphora Resort and Pakiamos Beach, and then it will stretch all the way up to Uoskapu. I won't continue. Right, and there's the Elmira Spa. I'll just quickly go past there because they probably spent a lot of money and they don't really want someone like me filming them. So here's a view of the seafront though, which is very nice, and there's the castle over there. And we're going to walk down this way back to the seafront before we finish. So let's get going. I've never been on that little walkway before though, it was quite nice. Oh, these rooms have their own little private pools. I won't film them though, because that wouldn't be very private. Now, can we get down here? I believe so. Yes, I don't want to be any more than that, because I can already feel the back of my bongs getting a bit cooked. So we're at the lower bit now, where the water comes down. Was a bit of graffiti down here. Is it worth anything? Or is it just a mess? Seems to be verging on the mess side of it, to be honest. I've seen worse, but I've seen a lot better. Paphos Budapest 24, according to that. In terms of graffiti, I'm going to have a bit of a surprise for you all in the next few weeks. I won't say any more than that, but it will be quite exceptional, I can assure you. If you like street art, and I mean art as opposed to just drawing tags. So we're now on the coast path proper, which goes all the way from Uoskapu up to Sandy Beach now in Lemba. And the beach up ahead is, I think it's Alaiki, I can never remember how to pronounce it properly. If you wanted to take pictures of the flowers, I think. So let's get past her. Yeah, it's Alaiki Beach, I think. And there's a big anchor here. No one's ever told me why. And soon we'll be go from the Elmira Spa to the Elmira Hotel on the right, obviously. This jetty on the left is very temporary. In the winter time it's vanished. I'm quite looking forward to the winter time now, it has to be said. The summer weather is getting a bit tiring. It's nice to be getting cooler though. Now what's this up ahead? Have I seen it before? I don't mean the kiosk, I mean the weird thing next to it.
Hey? There you go.
Sea Bob. Not sure what that is. But it's there for you to sit on if you want to. I'll get the camera back. So now we're heading back to the seafront. You got the Elmira Hotel on the right. Believe it or not, on the left is a blue flag beach called Alaiki. And there's another one after that, the municipal beach. I'll try and get past these people. Right, anyway, so Poseidonos Avenue itself is coming along nicely. It's got a little bit to do, but not too much at all. And if you've enjoyed our film, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell if there is one. And follow us on Facebook at Paphos Live. And join our Facebook chat group, Paphos Chat. Or if you want chat about the whole of Cyprus, Cyprus Chat, which is the other one we do. Also, if you want to help us out, go to our buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Live page and buy us a few coffees. And if you want to get something in return, other than a warm glow and a feeling of satisfaction, then go to our Etsy page at etsy.com/shop/Paphos Live. And there you can buy all sorts of stuff from cups, t-shirts, calendars, what else is there? Phone covers, that sort of thing. And they all use the pictures that we publish regularly on Facebook. Basically, they use obviously the high-res versions of them, so they're very good. Okay, that's enough of the marketing. We're now outside the Annabelle, outside the rear of the Annabelle Hotel, and I'm beginning to melt. Let's see if I can lower the camera a little bit. I'm trying not to film any sunbathers. Very difficult because there's quite a lot of them about. Now here's Paphos Seafront itself, looking lovely, as we'd expect. And the lifeguard is on duty. I think there she is there. And I'm going to go up those steps and end over there, I think. That'd be a nice place. There's no need to go all the way. Oh, this is very springy here. All the way back to the seafront itself. And we'll get a nice view, because there was a nice view back on that thing by the Alexander the Great Hotel. I've never been there before, and it'd be a nice place to... That's it, ladies, sit right in the steps. Let's get in some shade, I guess. So let's quickly get up here. And I'll end by dazzling you with literally with a shot of the harbour. So, I hope you enjoyed the film, and we'll see you in the next one, whatever that may be. Thanks for watching. Cheers.